Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong yearly reading for 2026. Year 2026. So we will see ano yung energies na parating sa inyo next year, 2026. So ito ay 3 parts. Ito yung part 1, overall energy. And then we have part 2, money, career, finances. And then part 3 is about love life and family. So make sure na nakalike kayo, subscribe, follow para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Ayan. And of course, paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, this is my only account, okay, at Mystic Queen PH. Hindi ako magme-message sa inyo, magme-message, no? Hindi ako unang magme-message sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Dahil merong mga nagre-re-upload ng videos ko, tapos ginagawang account as Mystic Queen PH, and then nagme-message sila sa mga different accounts, like mga followers ko or subscribers, para mag-offer ng services. So, parang nagpapanggap sila. Okay? So, mag-ingat kayo. I will not message you para mag-offer. Meron tayong private readings na link kung gusto nyong magpa-book. Okay? Meron tayong booking page, merong calendar. So, yung mga yan, usually nasa TikTok, nasa Instagram. So, beware, no? Mag-ingat sa mga ganyan. Baka ma-scam kayo. Okay, so let's begin for you, Capricorn, 2026. Tingnan natin ano yung energies for you. 2026 para sa mga Capis, Capricorns. Overall energy, spiritual career. Oh! Maaring meron kayo ipupursue na spiritual career. Itong spiritual career naman, it doesn't have to be like pure spiritual. Ibig sabihin nito, it is really connected to your spirit. Na tipong, doon ka talaga nagre-resonate. Okay? Something na malalim, merong malalim na connection sa'yo, itong career or path na tatahakin mo. Now, your challenge is spirituality. Puro spiritual to, Capricorn, ha? Maaaring nagkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening. So, ito nga, maaari kasing iniisip nyo, gagawin ko ba to? Ipupurso ko ba to? Pero naglalaban yung iyong energy na baka hindi yun para sa'yo, diba? Maaring i-question mo, meron ka mga i-question or i-challenge na mga belief system. Oo. Pero ang ending, ma-open yan sa'yo at ma-awaken ka. Oo. So, ka-clarify pa natin yan later on. And then, your opportunity is happy ending. Uy, ang ganda. Ayun yung kanta ni Avril Lavigne. My happy ending. Ayan, so you have the opportunity to experience happy ending. This is about accomplishment, 'di ba? Na, uy, happy ending, ang ganda. Or to create your own story na merong happy ending. There's an opportunity for you to be happy sa isang experience or isang bagay na ma-accomplish mo ngayong 2026. Let's see the blessing. Ano naman yung blessing? Synchronicity. Oh my God. Itong synchronicity is alignment. Yung blessing mo, aligned ka. Alam nyo ba, kapag aligned ang isang tao sa kanyang destiny, ang ganda or ang gaan. Ang gaan lang ng energy and yung blessings magpo-flow lang talaga siya because you are synchronized with the universe. Synchronized ka sa flow ng universe. So, clarify rin yan natin. Wow, so very spiritual kayo ngayon, Capricorn. Maaring dahil si Saturn is direct na ngayon. Si Daddy Saturn. Okay, let's see what else. Overall energy ng mga Capricorn. Ngayong 2026. Overall energy ng mga Capricorn. 2026. You have the 8 of Swords. Nako. Medyo may struggle dito. Pwede kasing hindi ka pa ganun ka-decided or hindi ka open sa ibang mga pananaw or belief system sa paligid mo. you have judgment. Oh my God, this is rebirth. This is breaking free. Breaking free from a limitation na meron ka. You are breaking free. Okay. Maari kasing ito yung tipong, gusto ko tong i-explore, itong, let's say, tarot reading, or gusto ko tong i-explore, itong astrology, or any belief system na, parang gusto mong gawing career kasi maaring nare-realize mo, yan yung path mo. Yan yung direction na tatahakin mo. And, sometimes, na apektuhan tayo ng opinion ng iba, yun yung nagiging balakid, para sa atin na i-pursue yung gusto natin. But I feel like ngayong 2026, you wouldn't care. May magbabago sa'yo. May magbabago sa iyong pananaw sa buhay. You will realize na, wala na akong pakialam kung anong isipin ng ibang tao sa akin. Basta ito yung gusto ko, ito yung gusto kong igawin, ito yung what is aligned to my purpose, to my goals, to my dreams. And you will focus on that. It's a very powerful change for you, Capricorn, ngayong 2026. And then, ano yung challenge? The Nine of Pentacles. And then the Six of Swords. So, some of you, ang challenge ninyo is how to do yung transition. Mag-transition. Kasi the Six of Swords is going to another place, coming from another place, na ang challenge mo is kung paano ka kakawala sa isang limitasyon na meron ka and how you're going to reach your freedom. Okay? So, pwede rin ito kasing sa trabaho mo, na isip mo na hindi ka na masaya or hindi ka na yung tawag dito, fulfilled sa career mo, trabaho mo, and you want to make that change. Ngayon, na-challenge ka kasi natatakot ka kung ano ba yung pupuntahan mo. Secure ba yun? 'Di ba? Stable ba yun? So, ngayon, challenge mo yung sarili mo kung gaano katatag yung faith mo. Yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo, sa Diyos, sa kakayanan mo. Okay? But you are independent enough. You can do things. You can make changes in your life. Ngayong 2026. Now, what is the opportunity? Wow! As an opportunity, ito ay expansion, growth, pag-unlad. Siyempre, hindi mag-grow pag wala magbabago. So, you have to be open sa mga pagbabago na yan. Wow! Yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-travel, like at all, never been to a place like, especially abroad, ngayon 2026, merong opportunity for you to travel abroad, to explore yung mga places na you've never been before. Wow. Ace of Wands, exciting new beginnings. So Capricorn, 2026 is the year for you to explore new beginnings, new places. Be excited sa mga bagong experience na darating sa'yo. You are expanding your horizon. You are expanding your scope. Expanding your career, your business, your connections. Kaya may happy ending. Now, what is the blessing for Capricorn? What is the blessing for Capricorn 2026? The Queen of Cups. This is compassion, love, and care. And also, loving yourself. I think mas marami kang time para sa sarili mo ngayong 2026. You also have the King of Wands. This is about creativity. Someone na may leadership qualities. So, you will be synchronized with your emotions, your manifestations, and your actions. Kapag nag-align yan, yung minamanifest mo, it will come to reality. Magiging totoo. Okay? So, that's why you have to pay attention sa emotions mo. And also the actions, dapat nag-a-align yan para sa mga goals mo. Let's see what else for Capricorn. Wow! Jupiter in Taurus in the second house, status. Maaring may magbabago sa status mo, maaring iba sa inyo. Meron kayong goal, achievement, recognition. It's like parang binigyan ka ng role, like a regal role, like a responsibility and at the same time recognition. Second house is your talents, your skills. Kung ano man yung mga talento, skill set mo, i-recognize yan. And that will definitely bring in income sa'yo because second house is your source of income. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. You have Mercury and Sagittarius in the 9th house. 9th house is travel, opportunity. So, meron ka madidiscover na new places you've never been to. May exploration, self-discovery. And then, 9th house is also about spirituality. This is about religion. Also, belief system. So, maaring may mga aalamin ka, aralin ka. You also have the Saturn in Libra in the 7th house, which is about devotion. 7th house is partnership. So some of you, if open kayo for romantic connections, partnerships, pwedeng romantic partnerships, business partnerships. So meron ditong opportunity for you na makita kung sino yung nararapat para sa'yo, na hindi mo kailangang ipilit yung sarili mo sa isang bagay, sa isang sitwasyon, nang hindi nag-a-align sa gusto mo. Diba? Ang ganda. Let's see, Capricorn, 2026. Job satisfaction. O, kung ano man yung trabaho nyo, source of income nyo, magiging satisfied kayo dyan ngayong 2026. Maa-identify mo yung mga bagay na kung saan ka nag-e-enjoy, trabaho, source of income na nag-e-enjoy ka. Na talagang masaya ka na ginagawa yun. 'Di ba? Kapag masaya ka sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa source of income mo, ang bilis lang kumita ng pera. Personal development, 'di ba? Magi-invest ka sa personal development mo. Maaring may mga training ka, magbabasa ka ng mga books, meron ka mga seminar na pupuntahan, research, alam mo 'yon, meditation, magi-invest ka sa personal development mo dahil meron kang gusto, may gusto kang i-pursue na activities para mag-enhance yung knowledge mo, yung wisdom mo, yung skill set mo para ma-achieve mo yung overall success ngayong 2026. Okay, let's see what else for Capricorn. Feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. So, Capricorn, you will also focus on healing. Itong healing na to, hindi lang to sa personal relationships mo, but also sa iyong relationship sa finances, sa career mo, mas, kumbaga magiging in touch ka sa nararamdaman mo, mas magiging sensitive ka with how you feel at kung paano mo ipaprocess yung feelings na yon nang hindi mo kailangang isuppress, no? Yung parang i-express mo talaga siya. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.